So guys, welcome to H-QTV. My name is Samuel Wiyemi, and if you are watching my video for the first time, I used to do crypto airdrop about maybe Pi Network, Ice Network, etc. So I used to do video about different kind of crypto airdrop or any news about crypto airdrop. And this video I'm going to show you how to log in to your Pi. This is way to log into your Pi without you typing your password and your phone number. You don't need your phone number in 2025 to log into Pi anymore. It's when you want to, maybe you want to sign up for the first time, that you need to do that, and not even after you sign up. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to maybe create an account. I've made a lot of videos about how to create an account, how to set up your password. After you do all this, under your mainnet settings, you are going to see some pages that is going to allow you to strengthen your Pi Network account. And one of the settings under the mainnet is you should connect it, you should link it to your Facebook account. And it doesn't even take much stress like that. Just for you to click on it, and it's going to take you to your Facebook account. So it's going to open a page for your Facebook account, and you are going to log in, then confirm. So just very simple. I think I've even created videos about that last year, and I think I'm going to link it to this video also, like the end screen. So guys, now what I'm going to do is, if you want to log into your Pi without any password, the best thing is for you to link it. So how do you know that you have linked it to your Facebook? You are not going to use Facebook Lite. You are going to use the normal Facebook. No Facebook Lite. You are going to use the normal Facebook that is on your phone. So what are you now going to do? Go back to your account. After you go back to your account, click on the menu button. So you are going to click on the menu button. That's your profile picture. Okay, you are going to click on settings and privacy. So then you are going to hit on settings. Then you are going to scroll down to apps and websites. Click on that. So after you click on that, you are going to see the app or website that you have linked to your Facebook. So you can see a lot of here: Pi, TikTok, 18 Network. It's only Pi that is active here that I'm still using. So if your own maybe has expired, maybe let me say you see that your own Pi here has expired, just click on it and renew. So you are going to see the renew option right there. So guys, now so let me use TikTok as an example. If you hit on TikTok, you are going to see that it has a renew. So if your own, maybe your Pi has a renew, just renew it like that. So what I'm going to do now is, once I know that my Pi app is active to my Facebook account, let me go back to my Pi network, click on the network, and you are going to see the option to verify your identity to get started with Facebook. So I'm going to hit on that. So it's going to take me in automatically. It doesn't take any stress at all. It's just going to take me in automatically. And if you want to link yours, click on the menu icon, the three menu icon at the top left corner. Click on mainnet. After it's on mainnet, you are going to see mainnet checklist. You are going to hit on mainnet checklist. So the number 5 here is secure your account. So the option, I think there are two options there. I forgot maybe the second one. Under the secure your account, there is one that is linked to your Facebook account. So you are going to click on secure with Facebook account. If you hit on that, so it's going to link it with your Facebook account. And you can also do that for Pi browser. You can log in through your Facebook to your Pi browser. It's going to be very easy. You don't have to be typing your long password or your phone number again. So you can see, cannot even click on that once you have set it up. So once you set it up, cannot just, okay, if you click on your profile, let me see if I can see something like that. Facebook verification. You are going to see your Facebook verification that is here. You can see Facebook verification. So you are going to see it here, right here. So I think this is the one of this video for you to log into your Pi network in 2020. If you want to change your Pi phone number that you used to sign up for pi. I think I've made a lot of videos about that, and you can also see it under my video. You just go through that, you are going to see pi network there, or you can just look for pi network under my video. I think you are going to see it there. And if you want to start mining pi now, still chance for you to start mining pi in 2025. You can make use of my referral code, that is SAHQTV altogether. So I think that is it, and you are going to find it under this video description also. I think this is one of the video that is going to help you to gain access to your pi without you using your phone number and your long password. I think I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you really have some questions to ask me, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to be willing to provide an answer to it. Maybe about pi, I'm going to willing, and if it's require me to also maybe link it to a video, I'm going to provide maybe a video link for you, maybe to solve your problem. And make sure that you like this video also. I'm going to see you in my next video.